Hey guys, it's Shanagay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Israel, in Tel Aviv to be exact, and I just had to quickly get ready and I'm gonna go out and meet the other crew. We're gonna just quickly go and get something to eat. I think I'm just gonna go like to the grocery store or something and come back. Well, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. But let me just quickly show you my room. It's a cute little room. Yeah, let me just show you that. So straight away, as you come in, you're gonna see on the left-hand side, there's just a wardrobe cupboard here. Just little amenities to get your tea and your coffee and some other, the fridge is down there. And then up there's like another storage. You come in, this is the bed. Then you just come over here, you have a little lamp, nice little chair, and I put my stuff here, and another little table, and then there's the window, which I will show you guys tomorrow. And then if we just come over here, is the bathroom. There's me, hey. So here is the sink with all the lovely little things that you get there. A mirror, another mirror, hey. And just the toilet and the shower. I really love these type of showers that are like I don't know how to describe it, I don't know what they're called. But yeah, and another little shower head here. It looks quite dark in here though, but yeah, I'm sure that's fine. And that's it. Oh, and love when you get a robe. I'm gonna definitely come back and have a lovely shower with these later on. Guys, I'm ready for bed. Literally ready for bed. I think it's going to be an early start tomorrow. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, and I think it's going to be an early start because we want to go to Israel. Look at my eyes, they're red. I'm literally so tired. You know when you sit on the bed and that's when the tiredness like gets into your body. See you in the AM. Morning guys. Morning. Okay, so it is now 7:47. I was supposed to be downstairs for breakfast already. However, your girl had to do her makeup, and I was enjoying my sleep, guys. I woke up halfway through the night and I was diagonal across the bed. I woke up, there was a pillow on the floor. I thoroughly enjoyed my sleep, let's just say that. If you can see, my curls have like completely like dropped, but it's fine. This is what I'm rocking today. I'm gonna quickly go down and meet one of the other crew members. There's 3 of us going together. I'm gonna meet another girl and we're gonna quickly get some breakfast, and then we're gonna go in to Jerusalem. And yeah guys, so follow me through today. Ignore how badly I've done up my bed, but it is what it is. I'm gonna wear this jacket. I can't really show you my outfit properly. I've got this, it's like a long, hold on. It's like this. I wish the light was over here, and I've got leggings on and a coat and just a bag, just because I need to put my phones in there.
The Bible today, Temple Mountain. Okay? So what is the purpose of the temple? To combine the 12 tribes of Israel to worship God in one place in Jerusalem. Okay? Then the Babylons coming, destroying the temple, burning the temple. Then we have the second second temple period. Okay? Who builds the second temple? King Herod. You heard about him? He also built Metzadah, Caesarea. Okay? So this is also Jesus' time. The second temple is Jesus' time. Is visiting the compound of the temple. Okay? So the Jewish people don't really like the King Herod was from Rome. He was Roman. Okay? He didn't like the Roman government over here, and they rebelled. So then Titus, the empire, comes here with the Roman soldiers and destroy Jerusalem and burn the temple. Okay? If you go to Titus Gate in Rome, you're going to see the menorah from the temple on Titus Gate above the Roman soldiers with the Hebrew Jewish slaves behind them. So maybe it happened. Okay? Okay, so 70.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm back in the hotel now, but it's been such a good day, guys. Like when we went into Jerusalem, we went into the old city, and there's 8 gates around the old city, and we went we went through the Jaffa gate. And it was so nice going to all the different sections, the Muslim section, Christian section, Jewish section. And we went into the Sepulchre. And that place, guys, it has like the last 3 places where Jesus went to. So it has like the rock, like it's weird to describe, but hopefully you would have seen it in the video. It has the rock basically, and they have stairs where you go to the top of the rock or the mountain or something where Jesus was crucified. Then it has the place where they laid him after, and I got to like touch it, and everyone like touches it, and like you pray and things like that. But yeah, and it was so nice, and like there was a heavy presence there of like, I just felt like I wanted to pray at one point. I felt like I just wanted to speak in tongues. And whilst I enjoyed being there with the girls, like they're so lovely and so nice, I feel like it's somewhere where if you go there on your own, it's a moment. Like if you're a Christian, it's a moment there. Like it's nice to go there. Like I don't know, like yeah, there's something about it, but it was really nice going there. And like being in the old city, it's literally like a movie set. It's amazing, it's beautiful. I'll probably see you in the AM. Hey guys, good morning. I am sitting on the floor because this is where the sun is and I need the sun. Yeah, so good morning. This is my last day here in Israel. It is now currently 7 minutes past 10. I need to hurry up and go downstairs so I can catch the breakfast really quickly. I'm gonna go on my own. So I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna go to the beach. Guys, it like looks like it's warmer than it was yesterday even. So yeah, I'm quickly gonna just go downstairs, eat some breakfast, and then I'm going to go to the beach and stay on the beach for a bit and then come back. And I've already had my shower and stuff obviously, but obviously I just need to come back and do my makeup. Oh, don't mess up the brows, girl. Anyway, just come back and do my makeup. And so yeah, let's go. Just to show you guys my outfit. Oh, I hate the fact that my bed's messy. I did try and do it up, but I'm in a rush. Anyway, this lovely dress that is all the way from Nigeria from my friend Ramona, and my slippers from yesterday, and that's it. I'm just gonna carry my bag because it has some essentials, i.e. sunglasses. Yeah, let me go and catch this breakfast, y'all. Guys, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy I came. I was kind of thinking, oh, let me just sleep and rest. Oh, I'm so like, I'm happy I'm doing this on my own. Like sometimes it's just nice to just be on your own, in your own zone. If you need to talk to anyone, talk to yourself, talk to Jesus. So beautiful. The water is clear. It's lovely. So beautiful here, guys. Just gonna sit and chill for a bit before I get ready to go back. It's now 11:24. I'm going to give myself till 12 to stay here for another bit. Give myself till 12 o'clock, but then I'll go back to my room so I can get ready. Hey guys, I literally put on my cravat and everything and I was like, hold on, I have not closed off the vlog. I have not. But yeah, so anyways, I am just about to leave. I packed up everything and I am ready to go. It's so hot here and it's still so lovely, but I've really enjoyed my time and I don't mind going home now and knowing that I can always come back at some point by the grace of God. But I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Please like, subscribe and share. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see from me. But for now, take care. Bye. So you're going to say the prayer?
Shema Yisrael, Eloheinu Adonai Echad.
That's it. And can you translate, what does it mean?
Hear, O Israel, there is one God, bless you.
There's one, God bless you.